Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, Google Photos updated, and a secure device lock set. Open the app and go to Library, then Utilities. Tap Locked Folder to create it. This stores photos locally, protected by your screen lock, so they won't sync to cloud or appear in grid views. Once done, you'll be prompted to move items, pick photos or videos now. Make sure to use a strong PIN or biometric, because the folder follows your device's security for access and recovery. Now, manage content. Select one or multiple photos, tap the three dots, and choose Move to Locked Folder. You can also open the camera from within the folder to save new captures directly. This prevents accidental cloud upload. Remember why? Moving removes items from shared albums and search results, keeping them private on device only. Also, confirm any copies already synced to cloud are deleted first. Otherwise, you'll still have online versions that defeat the folder's privacy promise. Finish by verifying privacy. Exit and reopen photos to confirm locked items no longer appear in moments or albums. To access or restore, open locked folder, authenticate, then select Move Out to return items to library. If items seem missing or the folder won't open, update Google Photos first. Next, clear app cache or restart your device. If problems persist, check device lock settings. Locked folder uses that credential, so a broken or changed screen.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.